So guys, I want to bring something to you that is not in the cryptocurrency sphere. So you already know where you can actually get information to invest in ICO drops, con schedule, ICO alert, and the rest of them. Now, there are certain companies that are not coming into the blockchain space, or they have nothing to do with the blockchain space. And now, they are the next, maybe Facebook, or the next whatsoever technological company, or educational company, or whatsoever, medical, or whatsoever. Now, you might be asking, how do I now invest in these companies? A platform called Start Engine can help you with that. So when you go on Start Engine, now even Start Engine, they are running their own, they call it ICO, but they are running their own funding campaign. And if you click on the funding campaign, you can say Start Engine, your chance to fund the future. You can see as many people that have invested in this platform. So it tells you the overview of the project, the team, then the update so far. It gives you the update. And if you have comments, you comment, they reply you. And they tell you how much the minimum you can buy. And then they also tell you what they will be using the funds for. And then your stake in that particular company. So let's talk about what Start Engine can do. So what is Start Engine? Start Engine is a platform where you can meet entrepreneurs, those who have very good ideas, not only those who have ideas. There are people who already have a business and they want to scale up this business. You meet them, and then you buy shares in their company, and then you can follow your investment. So if you sign up with your email, you can actually be able to follow up with the latest investment opportunity. So as you can see, this is the current offerings. Let's see some of the offers. So as you can see now, currently they have 71 investments that you can actually put into. So this is Start Engine itself. If you want to invest in the company, this is Medical X RED Resort. If you click on it, you will see the information they are giving, and then the list goes on and on. When I saw this platform, I said, yeah, I'm going to go through this platform and buy, even though they are not in the blockchain. I can invest in the next, because the industries that will change the world may not necessarily be the industries that has to do with the internet, no, or with the internet or the blockchain. So if you scroll down, you'll see lots of platforms, but there was one that struck my eye. Is Sondo's electric car. So I think they are trying to raise some amount of money, and the founders already raised some amount of money before. So you can see these guys are trying to build a company. Then this is Ridecoin ICO. It is really share ride marketplace driven by blockchain. You can see all the details out there. And then XIT, let's watch this video.
When we first looked to the skies, we saw another world. A world that stood above us. We couldn't touch it. It was beyond our reach. But there's a funny thing about curiosity. The vehicle that drives our very existence. It does not stop craving what it does not understand. It delves headfirst into the unknown, stumbling, searching. Our greatest strength is that we do not fear the unknown. We yearn to become one with it. Our wings aided us in the basic human instinct to unite. We persisted to perfect our voyaging, and we worked tirelessly at perfecting it. Because we knew that it would help our fellow wanderers. And like the curiosity of those before us, we will continue to find a better way to thrive, to see, and most importantly, to reach.
Okay, so you can see overview of what they want to do, the problem they want to solve, solving a problem. Then you can see why inverse, a timeline, their products, and then you can see who is behind the team, updates, and then the minimum you can invest is $250, and you get for $1 you get one share. So the minimum is $350. So you can check this platform, and then it's not coming on the blockchain. If you want to invest, you could invest. You could make your own findings on this company, and on and on. So there are many projects they've funded already, and these are some of the other projects. So this is one of the platforms I just discovered, and I said, let me bring it to you, because a lot of platforms are coming on the blockchain, and the question is, do all of them need the blockchain, or do all of them need funding and the rest of them? So that's the update I have for you about Start Engine. So if you are, as a person, maybe you have an idea, maybe it does not have to do with the blockchain. Why come on the blockchain? Why not come to a platform like this and secure funds? So guys, do have a very good day.